We need to know the figures.
Questions? No. Can they ask questions? Are they questions? Yes.
There are things we do not agree here. And I believe, Bwana CS Churchill, with all due respect, we did say that we are going to communicate here, clear and open, that we have not agreed, so that we carry this conversation forward. And you did state that we may have tomorrow Tuesday, we may have tomorrow Wednesday. Are we clear, members?
Yes.
We did not agree in anything. They gave us 10 according to what they are going to have a conversation with April. And we did state 35 up to 30. That was the communication. With all due respect, we respect each one of us here.
Yes.
And that is what we want it to go out, so that to our members and to the nation, that we did not come here in anything or to set up anybody. Together with the government, we are law-abiding citizens, and we abide by the law. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
The strike is still on. Luta continua.